So, you want to start trading stocks? Here are some business and stock market terms to get you started. CEO, Chief Investment Officer. CFO, Corporate Fraud Officer. Bull market, a random market movement causing an investor to mistake himself for a financial genius. Value investing, the art of buying low and selling lower. PE ratio, the percentage of investors wetting their pants as the market keeps crashing. Broker, what my broker has made me. Standard & Poor, your life in a nutshell. Stock analyst, guy who just downgraded your stock. Stock split, when your ex-wife and her lawyer split your assets equally between themselves. Financial planner, a guy whose phone has been disconnected. Market correction, the day after you buy stocks. Cash flow, the movement your money makes as it disappears down the toilet. Institutional investor, past year investor who's now locked up in a house. Profit, an archaic word no longer in use. Why did God create stock analysts? In order to make the weather forecasters look good. The stock market crashing last week was worse than a divorce. I lost half my money and the wife is still there. What's the best way to make a small fortune in the stock market? Start off with a big one. Yo, mama's so fat, when she skips a meal, the stock market drops. An economist, an accountant, and a lawyer decided to gamble. And that's how the stock markets came into existence. I put a bull and a bear in a cage to fight. The stock market crashed shortly after. Who won? The economy is so bad, ExxonMobil laid off 15 congressmen. My stockbroker and I are working on a retirement plan. Unfortunately, it's his. The market may be bad, but I slept like a baby last night. I woke up every hour and cried. A new investor came to see a famous stockbroker. Could you tell me how much you charge? Said the investor. Of course, the stockbroker replied. I charge $10,000 for every 3 questions. Well, that's a bit steep, don't you think? Asked the investor. Yes, it is, said the stockbroker. And what will be your 3rd question? Why was the stock trader electrocuted? He shorted Tesla. I invested in a soup manufacturer. I asked them what the stock options were. They said, chicken or vegetable. Have you heard the latest Tesla joke? Girl, are you a Tesla stock option? Because I have no experience and I want to call you. After all the rioting and destruction, I expect the Microsoft stock to take off on Monday. Everyone will be looking for Windows. I felt very lonely, so I bought some stocks. It's nice to have a bit of company. I have to go trade some stocks now, but I'll leave you with some memes. See you next time!